As Australia's population ages, more elderly people are suffering abuse in a variety of forms. But how we tackle this problem varies among the states and territories, leaving many older people exposed to mistreatment. Now, a national plan is being drawn up to protect our elderly by bringing in a nationwide approach.
When Maria Berry realised a family member was being abused, she didn't know where to turn.
He was scammed of over $40,000 from some private scammers, but also his bank account was evidence of large purchases and things disappearing out of the account.
Maria's story is one of the many reported to authorities every year, but a conference on national elder abuse has heard even the government doesn't know the extent of the problem.
We are not in a situation where we understand its full dimensions or have appropriate evidence or data on it.
There's growing awareness of older people being financially abused, often by members of their own family.
We've had some estimates that say, for instance, that about 40% of all of the elder abuse that occurs is financially.
One suggestion for tackling the issue is to bring the banks on board. Advocates want laws changed to give banks the power to stop unusual withdrawals.
Banks need a way of being able to stop those withdrawals being made where it's an abusive situation, and that needs a law change.
It's not just stealing money or assets. Appalling cases of physical abuse in nursing homes have also made it into the headlines. And even laws designed to help and protect are causing confusion. Powers of attorney vary from state to state.
It shouldn't be beyond the wit of all the Attorneys General to get together and say this is in the best interests of older Australians to harmonise our legislation.
Advocates say that the way elder abuse is tackled across Australia is fraught with inconsistencies, and that the plan announced today will help deal with this by bringing together states and territories in a more unified approach. Lieve Casman, ABC News, Sydney.